Hello, traders. Thank you so much for joining us into yet another beautiful trading live session. Trading live session sounds very wrong. Live session because we don't trade really live. Okay, I give you guys my analysis before potential move is about to happen. So, guys, I first off have to be very thankful and grateful for how amazing week this has been because Monday itself, crypto really you know, amazingly moved all also towards our prediction. Monday itself, I managed to reach a very good profit margin based on the percentage, but that's for crypto side. And then we also had so many tremendous, amazing opportunities for forex from Tuesday onwards. Wednesday and Thursday, I would say, and we never really managed to find much of an opportunity. But today, yet another opportunity is arising, and that's the one we'll be speaking about today. All right. So if that sounds interesting, guys, sit back, relax. Let's get right into today's session. Oh, this is my intro. Sorry. For those that don't know who I am, my name is Guna. So I've been trading for over 3 years now. And what I do in my live streams, which is the one you are currently in, and my YouTube page, I share with you guys as much information pertaining to price action, and I give you guys any trading ideas or trading setups that I'm personally planning to take on the day, and most importantly, why. Okay. Again, I'm not saying that every setup I say means confirm will work. Definitely no. I will highlight to you guys also the ones that I was looking for it to, move in a certain direction, but it didn't. But we do not enter lah. We only enter when certain things happen. So right off the bat, I want to speak about Euro AUD, guys, because I believe Euro AUD we have a very beautiful bearish opportunity here. Okay, for us to potentially be focusing on the bearish move towards the downside. Currently, the market is still respecting this zone. I know we are very close by this level. Okay, but for me, I feel the entry opportunity is already here lah. Okay, for me lah, based on Euro AUD, I could be wrong because we are very strongly moving towards the upside. We can definitely do this, guys. Definitely, okay, we can do this. But for me, I'm okay to take that risk, considering early on of the week from Tuesday onwards, I already managed to get more than 3% of a profit margin this week based on the forex side. So I'm okay to let go some of the profits if this trade didn't play out. Okay, so I told you guys my minimum is 3% per week, and that's it. It sounds small, but when you compound it in a month, guys, how much is that? 369, 12%. Okay, and that's only from forex, not from the crypto space. It's a lot, guys. 12% in a month, then 12%. You times that by 12. I now have to do times already. How? Okay, wait. Okay, my phone is here. 12% calculator. I'm pretty sure some of you guys are geniuses. You guys already calculate that. Okay, I'm not that good in calculation. Give me a moment. Times by 12. So that's 100. Okay, wait, I need to see the camera. Okay, so that's basically 144% in an entire year, if I'm correct. I think I'm correct. So that's a lot, guys. Okay, that's a lot. Very, very high form of return in a year. If you gain 144%, just think about it for a while. Imagine if you have the capital with funded accounts, of course. Let's say you trade with 200K account. Okay, that's the highest one, right, that we can apply for. Definitely, we can go up to max allocation of 400K. But 200K, how much is 200K for 144%? Okay. Again, guys, if it's wrong, I apologize. Okay. Okay, percent. Okay. 200 minus. Okay, 288,000 USD in a year from the capital of 200K. If I'm correct, okay, if I'm correct, I really hope I'm correct. But if you guys geniuses, you guys can calculate that for yourself. All I know is a lot more. Hi, DJ. Good evening. Last day of trading for the week for Go. Every time, go. Yeah. Okay, let's go into gold right now because this one I share with you guys, right? I am focusing on a selling opportunity for Euro AUD. Going for gold. Remember, I told you guys yesterday, this move towards the upside wasn't impressive for me because I explained right yesterday. We watched the live stream. I explained that every time I go made a pullback, we have no difficulties to break the previous high. Okay, this pullback, this is the previous high, no difficulties to break it. Okay, but yesterday after this pullback happened, we never managed to break this previous high. At least not yet. So I told you guys to be careful a bit because this is showing signs of exhaustion in the market. So overall, definitely we are still very much bullish. This is not a zone that we can be using because the zone has already been used up. But overall, we are still very bullish. Just personally, I will not be entering any trades for gold. The reason being is because it's already Friday, guys. You guys know me lah. If nighttime on Friday, I personally like to focus on crypto space. The reason behind it is because crypto does not have leave. They also run over the weekend. So if I see buying opportunity today, I can still enter without worrying tomorrow is the weekend. We may not reach the target tomorrow because again, personal opinion only based on how I see the market. Crypto moves a little bit slower on Saturday, a bit more stronger on Sunday. If you want to know why, I do not know why. I'm sorry. I wish I could tell you guys I know why. I'm not so sure why, but this is what I understand lah, based on how the market works. Sunday usually I see stronger moves, but sometimes Saturday is like impressive moves. Okay, towards the upside or downside. So it really depends on what is happening in the crypto space. But from my personal backtesting, Sunday is the day that I see most of the movements happen. Maybe because it's close by Monday area. Who knows, right? Okay, so that's for gold, just to highlight. Another opportunity that I actually am focusing on, but I didn't enter this one, is Euro NZD. I actually plan to enter this, yesterday here. It's smaller time frame, I'll show you. Okay, the reason why I took out my buying limit, okay, I put my buy limit yesterday after our live stream. I put it here, exactly here. You can see this line here, right? This is my buy limit. But when I saw the candles 15-minute, right, before the New York session hits about 12, so 12 is here, we came close by to it, but we never managed to touch it. So I don't want to hold or enter the trade uh, in the night time, okay, because you guys know I don't like to simply cannot swap for no reason. I just entered the I cannot swap. It doesn't make sense for me. So I know that would have happened. That's why I just took out the buy limit. So today, right, in Asia session, beautifully it come and entered. If my buy limit was there, I would have been entered this trade and almost would have taken the first TP target. So I am not going to re-enter this trade or anything, even though we are very close by the BE level. Okay, everything's still showing bullish momentum. To be honest, I don't like we are starting to move a bit in a sideway movement. I don't like that. Definitely, I would like to see move momentums like these ones all out. So I don't like seeing this, but nevertheless, we are still bullish so far lah for Euro and ZD. I'm seeing a bullish momentum. I just not interested to enter because of my criteria. Nighttime, Friday, I don't want to focus on it lah. It's okay if it goes to the TP target. I just want to focus and see how this trade will play off because there is also a potential possibility for it to move in the opposite direction. Okay, I am not God. I don't know 100% how the market moves. Nobody does. It's just my predictions and what I believe the market is going to move like. Okay, so I just want to understand and study this. To be honest, I don't even know if we'll reach any of the targets by this until the market closes. So we might just because right now you can see really moving sideways. We can just keep doing this until the market close. We could literally just trade in between this level here. So just for study purposes, I never enter this trade. I just want to see how it will play out. This one I did enter. So I was in profits. Okay, this one is where my entry was here. Okay, I was in profits today. Uh, I set this alarm here. There is a reason behind it. The reason why I set this alarm because I essentially wanted to aim 1 to 3 all the way to this level because it is a good bullish opportunity. Not great, but good bullish opportunity. Only because I realized until Friday, okay, basically today, market actually came down to this level, and I do not believe we can reach all the way to this level by today. Okay, this is quite a stretch. Is it possible or not? Of course, we cannot 100% know anything in the market. To be honest, we can even move down. Okay, we can even do this. But like I said, because earlier of the week on Tuesday itself, I managed to collect a lot more than 3%, which is my bare minimum for the every week lah, my target. So even if this goes sideways, plus the other trade that went sideways this one, okay, based on my risk level, it does not affect that 3%. Okay, it does affect the extra profit margin, but I don't care about the extra profit margin because I'm more focused on the percentage wise. Really, guys, don't focus on the profit margin. Huh? If you focus too much on the profit margin, you will be seeing the money, the amount that will play with your emotional side crazily. Okay, it took me so long to get through it. The only way how I got through it is, I said it yesterday, take funded challenges. Okay, take the free funded challenges like FTMO all got, right. Try them out only. The reason why is because they will really teach you the importance of percentage. They will teach you that it is not really about focusing on the monetary value, how much money is floating. Oh, I got 2,000. Oh, 1,000 floating. It's not about that. How much in terms of percentage is that based on how much you're risking? You can see someone, they earn maybe 2,000, 3,000, but they're risking 5,000. That's a terrible, percentage because you never even get 1 to 1 yet. You're risking more than how much you're actually earning right now. So when you take these certain challenges, you will start to really understand that it really depends on the quality of your trades, really depends on the percentage. Okay, focus on the data, do not focus on the money value. That is how my trading really shifted. It's not about strategy, it's about how we think to play in the markets. Okay, because in trading, we are going against extremely intelligent people. I am by no means I'm saying like very extremely intelligent or anything. I just know what I'm doing. I'm focusing on what I'm doing only. I don't go left and right. Okay, try different things. No, no longer. I just follow my path, which is working for me for quite some time. I'm just doing the same thing. Okay, whatever other people do, it does not matter to me. As long as they're successful, I'm happy lah. Because everybody can be successful in the market. There's so much of money for everybody. Okay, trillions of dollars, trillions, multiple trillions of dollars every single day is trading. We can just get a portion of that enough already. Actually, to be honest, a portion of few trillions is a lot already. Quarter of that portion only. I am basically just picking a quarter of that portion only. Okay, you guys just do that. Enough, guys. Trust me, enough. Okay. AUD USD. So this one I want to highlight to you guys. Yesterday, our buying opportunity, the market disrespected the zone. This is why we do not enter the moment the market comes inside the zone. So you see, this is the zone level, no, that I highlighted. Okay, yesterday. So this is the zone level that price breakthrough when New York session kicks in. Wait, I need to make sure my microphone sometimes going off. If you guys cannot hear me, just let me know. Huh? So you see, when New York session kicked in, right, we right away disrespected the zone. We never care about the zone. Bears were very present and very strong, and then it closed below this level. So right now, if we see, okay, this is the one. This is the two candles. Okay, this was the candle never closed here, lah. In the photo, the candle was full. Okay, you want make it bigger. The candle was full. All right. But in reality, the candle closed here, like quite a big candle also, closed here, but still consider it went above the zone. I don't like that. Even weak also for me counted. So that's why you see the zone was disrespected and price moved towards the downside. So this one I never find any trading opportunity. I wasn't interested in it because it's already Friday. So I just want to update you guys only that the zone didn't work out yesterday. NZD JPY. Okay, so this one is right now bearish. Essentially, NZD JPY, I believe we will mostly focus on a bullish momentum move towards the upside. We did already take out all of the TP ranges that we were predicting, and I personally, for this pullback, was hoping we can find another bullish opportunity, considering the market is very interested to move towards the upside. However, currently right now we are bearish, and I feel it's okay for me to find an entry opportunity for that, but I cannot see any zone. So just because of this cause, I cannot find the zone. I'm not entering anything for NZDJPY lah. Okay, so you guys know already 8 p.m. I don't see any zone now. If we want to find a trading opportunity, by right, we should already see a zone right now, and New York should be the entry and exit criteria. Okay, it will fit the criteria. Since we don't have a zone, probably during New York session only we will start to create that zone, and it'll be too late for us to enter any opportunity because the market most probably won't reach the target level. So I will not be entering anything for NZD but just to highlight to you guys, currently we are bearish. Euro CAD. This one also I wanted to highlight to you guys. Zone got disrespected, but we are still bearish. So this is not a market I feel that I would be interested already because number one, already Friday. Number two, if I remove this zone, okay, if I turn off this thing, what do you see? You guys know already lah. If you guys keep joining the live stream, you guys know already lah. What do you see? If this is hard to understand it, let me make it even easier. Okay. Okay. What do you see? What do you guys see? Sideways. We are moving in a sideways momentum. So, especially through nearby Friday, we're really moving in a sideways momentum, right? And then try to pick up the pattern here. This is Euro CAD, correct? Just now we go through €1, right? What are you seeing? Euro also, right? What is this? So I most probably might, again, I never entered this lah, but if I entered this, I would have taken out already my trade. Right now in profits, right? I would just take it up. Because what are we seeing? What pattern is this? This one is also similar, okay, in a sideways momentum. So I might take out this opportunity also because you see, sideways. AUD cat, okay, doesn't AUD doesn't look sideways so far. This one Euro cat is the one we're going through lah. Okay, so you see, sideways, right? So since it is moving in a sideways momentum, I personally don't think I would be interested to enter. Let me just hold on, guys. Okay, yep. Okay, so far all okay. So because it's in a sideways momentum, I would not suggest you guys to enter, even though we can see zones, even though we can see whatever. This one don't have zone lah, of course. I would personally prefer you guys to focus on the crypto space lah. Later we will go through. There is an opportunity. There is definitely an opportunity for crypto space, which I would highlight after this. So since we are currently sideways, even though zone got disrespected, even though we are bearish, I personally would hold off any trading opportunities for now. Okay, because right now we do have this zone here. Okay, there is a zone that has been created by the market right. Oh, sorry, created by the market right now. All right, and if you can see, price is right now coming inside this level. So if I'm interested to enter, what I would do, because we are close by New York session, once I see bears come inside of the market, if I were to enter here for an example, this will be my target point. So more than 1 to 2, that is very good lah. My minimum is 1 to 3, 1 to 2 to 1 to 3. So this is a very good risk to reward. Very, very good because almost 1 to 3. However, considering how the market is moving, would I choose to enter this? Maybe no lah. I don't see it as a good opportunity. But let's see later. I will just put this on top. Okay. NZD we went through the USD CAD. Oh guys, this one is funny. Look at this. Remember yesterday I told that we are still bullish. It is still good bullish opportunity, but I'm not interested in this zone because of this price came below this level, right? Okay, we managed to make a new zone. Let me remove this one. Okay, I remove all of this first. Hold on. Okay, all the TP target taken out now. By the way, we did manage to make a new zone. The new zone was relatively here. Okay, we made a new zone here. So if you guys wondering where was the entry, okay, this point here, candle came below, right? Okay, this is the entry point. Let me see in smaller time frames if I can see anything in it. Yeah, there was an entry opportunity here for sure. Yes, a very beautiful entry opportunity. But because I wasn't interested in it, I believe we were in a sideways movement. And I also highlighted to you guys yesterday or Friday, we will start to see the market actually break out of this movement. Either on Thursday or Friday, So on Thursday, market already broke through this level. If you guys wondering how do I know this, I don't know this for sure. Why I give out this prediction in such is just because based on one of our live stream, I think it was last week, we spoke about AUD. Was it AUD? I think it was AUD or Euro. I think it was AUD. I think it was last week. Same pattern. It was sideways from Friday all the way up to Wednesday. Sorry, all the way up to Thursday, I think. But then Friday it broke out. The week before that, it was another pair. I think it was USD JPY, and USD related to USD pairs lah. It was sideways also until Wednesday. Thursday it started to break out. So I just use that same understanding of the market. This is considered experience, What you go through week by week, try to remember, really study it properly, okay? Really need to know is sideways means okay, how long potentially. No one knows how long potentially sideways is, but there will be a similar pattern. What I understand is if sideways from Monday to Wednesday, either Thursday or Friday, we will start to see some form of breakout. That is why I said for USD CAD, yesterday you guys can watch the live stream. I predicted that maybe by Thursday or Friday, we will start to see a powerful move. Okay, we are still bullish. So my predictions is towards the upside, but I could be wrong. I said this, I could be wrong yesterday. So in this sense, I was right, whereby we did move towards the upside. I am grateful, but I would not have entered this. This is not something I would have entered because my zone got disrespected. Okay, if I were to check this zone yesterday and then reanalyze, probably I would have entered because this is actually a very good opportunity lah. So this is an opportunity that I missed out due to my negligence of not updating the zones and not checking the price action lah after the breakout occurred. All right. So this is from my end. AUDJPY. Okay, so guys, AUDJPY was a very good trading opportunity. This one really gave us very good. This one I earned quite good profits for this week for this pair alone. Okay. Uh, I believe we are still moving towards the upside. Right now, we are having this very beautiful, very calm, very gentle pullback. So I'm essentially just waiting for an alignment to happen for me to prioritize a potential next leg up. But again, it will depend on how the market closes. That is why every Sunday I will reanalyze all of the markets. I will remove whatever I draw and I will start back again from scratch just to understand, are we still bullish? Are we still bearish? Which one is a priority pair that I can focus on? Which one is the pairs that maybe is not so interesting for me to focus on? But definitely throughout the week, maybe I can find an opportunity. I will label them. I will write all of my notes. So Friday, I will take about an hour to two just to analyze everything. Okay, so that is what really helped me shift my trading career a lot. Every Sunday I do it. It's not necessarily I have to do it only on Sunday. We can do it on Saturday also. The market is closed. You guys choose. For me, I choose Sunday because for me, Sunday is usually like family time. I know you guys say, hey, you say family time, then you go spend time doing trading 1 2 hour. Yes, I know what you mean. I do it towards the night. Okay, night time I already come back to my house. So that's where I just lock in my room, my office room, just focus, reanalyze all of the markets, and then I will see which one I can focus on, which one maybe throughout the weekend I can focus. All right. So that's AUDJPY, guys. Nothing else much. Goal I highlighted to you guys already, right? Now we're moving down, but overall we are still bullish lah. This one I never update yet. This one all is the ones that reach our TP target because once reach ultimate, I usually don't focus on them already unless another opportunity arises. So far I don't see any opportunity so far. Like this week really very good, guys. I really love this week on how the market actually moved lah. It was very beautiful. Okay, so I will consider to take off this trade because based on what we see so far, euro seems like we're moving sideways. See, moving sideways, but this one never enter. This one maybe I will hold, but see how long lah. See how long because we are already close by to Friday, and then I can shift my focus to ETH. Okay, so now we go to crypto space. So crypto space right now for ETH alone, I'm seeing very good bearish opportunity. Okay, it's a really great bearish opportunity, but it does depend. Depend on what? If price will come inside my level or not. Price already kind of did come inside. This is considered as price coming inside of the zone, but I would like to see it come in one more time lah, if possible, because the zone created on Asia session, and then it came back inside during Asia session. It's not bad, not bad at all. That can happen. I prefer to see it in the other session. So what I mean by that is, can we got three, right? Asia, London, New York. So if I see a zone created in Asia, I expect and would like to see price go out and come back inside during London or pre-New York. So not in the same session. For me lah, for me. Last time when I used to trade very small time frames like 1 minute and 5 minute, I have to see those things all happen within the same session. So now because I trade a bit using multiple time frames, okay, all the way up to weekly, I analyze all the way up to weekly. I don't really necessarily like to see the market come back inside the zone in the same session the zone was created. Again, this is just personal preference. This is just personal experience, my own personal data based on my back testing that I still do every single week. I like to see that happen. So if you see right now, we are fitting that criteria because zone created during Asia session. Yes, we did came inside the zone during Asia again, but I would like to see during London or pre-New York. Right now, we are going to reach pre-New York session to possibly come inside this level and then show me interest to move towards the downside. Okay, I did put three targets here, but if let's say market goes inside this level and then show me potential bearish opportunity, okay, I just put here first lah. The boxes so easy to know. Okay, again, guys, this is not my entry, just example. I most probably will aim until the second one here. Okay, of course, after 1 to 3, I will surely take out partials and all, but I would hold until here. It depends on how what I see over the weekend. If I really see strong bearish momentum, then probably I can also consider moving my TP to this level. But that's 1 to 7 lah. 1 to 4 very good already, guys. I told already 1 to 2, 1 to 3 is my go-to. If I can get a little bit more than 1 to 3, okay, I even can go until here. So I'm very happy because why? Quality over quantity will change everything for you in trading. But it depends also in your game plan. Some strategy it requires quantity. You can just do the same thing, copy paste, copy paste, copy paste. I do have a strategy for that as well. I used to do that. So just copy paste only. Don't think, just copy paste only. Just make sure we take care of our risk reward. And based on data, it is shown that it is always profitable by the week. But the profitability is like 2R by the weekend, sometimes 5R, sometimes 3R, but still profitable regardless, still profitable. But that one you must have a stronger stomach. For me, I enjoy doing that because I don't have to think much. But the only thing I didn't enjoy is uh, the amount of red and also blue, because you will have to lose in that strategy. You will have to lose, but you are profitable. By the end of the week, confirm you're profitable. I cannot say confirm, sorry. So far, it's very profitable, but you have to go through losing also, losing back to back. So for me, my stomach, I don't like to see that as much. That's why I changed my strategy. This is a long time ago, lah. So I change it. I still have that game plan. I still sometimes just for fun I backtest that strategy just so that I can remember. If anybody want to learn it, means I can teach. But nevertheless, I really comfortable with the current one lah. How I've been trading lah. This has been going on for quite some time, and I believe I can continue to do this for a lot more longer lah. Hopefully the market don't change, like in the sense the market now move like this, okay, this use moving like this for so long, the market don't move like this. then I cannot trade already lah. Then I give up already. Okay, I don't think that will happen lah. Pray guys, pray that won't happen. Another one is Solana. So Solana is not very strong bearish momentum. We are moving down, definitely. I do see a zone, but it's not as strong. How to say? It doesn't have that much of a desire to move towards the downside. So regardless, these two are the only crypto space that I can see potential zone, potential interest for me to focus on either buying or selling. Dogecoin I couldn't find it. BTC also I couldn't find it. BTC also right now we're starting like a slight consolidation here so far. It depends. Let's see how New York session will close off. If new session should close off sideways, then confirm BTC we are sideways right now. But ETH was a lot more clearer. Okay, we have a lot more data, a lot more understanding, and also targets, close by targets, where it is quite achievable if bears are present inside of this level and price starts to respect. Nevertheless, if let's say price goes sideways, I will update you guys based on like the screenshot. Next week live stream, I will update to you guys. Okay. But for now, guys, I think that will be all. I'll be ending the live stream here. I hope today's live stream was insightful for you as it was for me. If you guys would like to learn how I do my own personal analysis, how I give out my predictions, how I trade the market, and many, many more stuff, I do have my own personal 6 week course whereby you can learn with me personally on your own personal trading journey. It doesn't matter if you have experience or not, really does not matter. But what I can tell you is within 6 weeks' time, everything that I do in my live streams, you guys will be able to do the same thing. You guys will be able to analyze the market like how I do, read the market like how I do, all of this stuff, the zones, okay, how to find them, how to find entry opportunities, when to enter, when to not enter, and many more. You guys will be able to do the same thing within 6 weeks' time. So if that sounds interesting, guys, you guys can reach out to me. I do have my links in the description below. Essentially, my links is just my WhatsApp link, right? You can just reach out to me to find out more details about the course. If not, you guys can also reach out to me through my Instagram. I do have my Instagram handle as well, where I do post sometimes comedy videos, okay, some things about my life. I don't worry, nothing negative one. I'm a pretty positive person. So if you guys would like to follow me there, I would appreciate that. You guys can let me know like you came from YouTube. That will mean a lot to me. Okay, with that being said, guys, I once again appreciate every single one of you. Do subscribe to the channel if you are new here, and give this video a like if you haven't already. I will catch you all amazing, beautiful, wonderful people in the very next live stream. Have an amazing, amazing weekend. Take care, traders. Very good night. Goodbye, guys.